Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi?
Ang desisyon niyo pong pabinyagan si Amicia ay kalugod-lugod po sa mata ng Diyos. At ang simbahan, ang pamilya ng Diyos, ay nagagalak din po sa desisyong iyan. Parents, do you clearly understand what you are undertaking?
Yes, we do.
Palakihin natin si Amicia, no? Bilang isang taong mabuti, isang taong marunong magmahal sa Diyos at marunong magmahal sa kapwa.
Filipino team kasi parang gusto naming ibalik yung past na gaya natin nung paano tayo nag-celebrate nung bata tayo.
Para masaya, tsaka maalala nila yung pagiging Pilipina.
Tuloy po kayo. Maligayang karawan, Amicia Riel.
Amicia is beautiful, it means beautiful. And then Riel, meaning God is my strength.
It's happening, clear a path and stand up.
Yung mga ate niya is Amia and yung kuya niya is Amiel. So, nag-came up din kami na may Ami, so Amicia.
Mistaken, hear the sound, the crowd celebrating. Feel the energy, the room is shaking. Turn it up, let me hear you say it. Curtains open up wide. Bring on the spotlight. Bring on the spotlight. Throw your hands in the sky. Bring on the spotlight. Bring on the spotlight.
Sana when you grow up, tapos you watch this video, sana maalala mo how loved you are, kung gaano ka kamahal ng lahat ng pamilya mo at saka ng mga kaibigan natin.
Let's get it, don't sweat it. Yeah, the bar is high 'cause I said it. The world moves for me, I'm magnetic. Say it loud so you won't forget. Curtains open up wide. Bring on the spotlight. Bring on the spotlight. Throw your hands in the sky. Bring on the spotlight. Bring on the spotlight.
Ito sana yung maging gabay kung paano mo mahalin ang mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. At ito sana maging daan na kung paano mo tratuhin din ang magiging anak mo in the near future.
Sasayaw ako.
I love you so much, Amisha.
Rainy puting buhok. Bak 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 bak.
Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love.
Meow 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 meow. Kukuruk kuk.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Misha. I hope that you grow up strong, happy. I hope you always follow in God. And I will always be here for you no matter what. Me and your kuya will always be here for you.
Ow, 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 ow.
The spotlight.
Amisha Riel, our birthday girl. Everybody clap your hands.
Throw your hands in the sky.